Hello friends, welcome to my channel Advocate Club. Today we can learn about right to life and personal liberty, which deals with Article 21 under Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. And also, for better understanding of this article, we can discuss some important case law. Article 21 says that right to life and personal liberty. No person be deprived of life and liberty except procedure established by law. In A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras 1951, Honorable Supreme Court held that protection of Article 21 is available only against the executive action. But by making a law, legislative may deprive a person's liberty. Second case law, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India in the year 1978. In this case, Honorable Supreme Court held that the Article 21 is not available for only against executive action but also against legislative. By simple way, legislature cannot deprive a person from right to life and personal liberty even by making a law. In this case, death sentence was satisfying rarest of the rare cases. Scope of Article 21. Right to life does not mean only the animal existence. Under this article, right to life means all the aspects of the life which make the human life dignified. Right to privacy is included in right to life in Kharak Singh's case, which is a first case law, and second one is protection to the convicted person or accused person discussed in Sunil Bhatra case. In Prem Shankar Shukla case, Supreme Court held that handcuffing is also unconstitutional. Second one is right to life includes right to education. In Mohani Jain case, the Supreme Court discussed about the education. Uni Krishnan versus State of Andhra Pradesh. Same discussion about the right to education is a fundamental right as decided in Mohini case. But in this case, Honorable Supreme Court fixed the age of fundamental right to. In Sawant Singh case, Supreme Court held that a right to go abroad is a fundamental right. Next one is Subhash Kumar versus State of Bihar. In this case, population free air is also a fundamental right declared by Supreme Court. Third one is Olga Telly's case. In that case, Supreme Court held that right to livelihood is included in under Article 21. And also some other cases. In Lamcha Devi versus Attorney General of India, Supreme Court held that the execution of death sentence at a public place is unconstitutional and it is violative of Article 21. In Husainara Khatun versus State of Bihar, equal justice and free legal aid of an accused person is a fundamental right. Next case is Rudullah Shah. In this case, Supreme Court held that to get a compensation in case of illegal imprisonment when detain a person by illegal way, it is also compensated to the prisoners. It's a fundamental right under Article 21. Last one is Chandrima Das versus Railway Chairman Board. The compensation to the rape victim is also a fundamental right declared by the Supreme Court under Article 21. So, this kind of such case laws discussion which is depending on Article 21, we can discuss friends the case laws which is very important for Article 21 to understand the nature of Article 21. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. If you like, click the bell icon. Thank you so much again to see this video.